This is Robin Mallory of HeartMatters.pro for Man on the Go with your healthy travel tip of the day. And here I am at San Francisco International Airport. I'm about to hop on a red-eye for Fort Lauderdale. And I want to talk about how I prepared for this trip in terms of taking care of myself. First of all, I got a bike ride in today, which helped me to sort of balance out my energy a little bit. I had a 3-hour drive to the airport, so a long drive, and I drank plenty of water and stopped a couple times along the way. I ate well before I left for the airport, and here I am now. I got lucky enough to find a grill, and I'm eating a healthy salad with some greens. But let me show you what I brought. Just in case, I brought a couple of apples, Fuji apples. Can you see that okay? I have 2 of them in my travel bag. They travel well and would sustain me, feed me. Got a couple of those Ziploc baggies. One has almonds and cashews in it. The other has raisins and dried cherries. So again, if I had not found a place to eat or if I was delayed on my flight, I'd have something to sustain me. These little jewels are organic peanut butter crackers. The name of the company is Late July. I love these things. I'm addicted to them. They're super high quality, all organic grain. The peanut butter does not have any sweetener added to it, no high fructose corn syrup, no hydrogenated oils as well, so this is really great stuff to travel with. And essential is the water. Want to drink plenty of water while you're traveling. Yes, you'll have to get up and go to the bathroom often, but your kidneys are happy to be flushed out, and water is really a key element for traveling well. So preparing well will allow you to feel well while you're traveling, and you're going to perform well. For Man on the Go, this is Robin Mallory at HeartMatters.pro with your healthy travel tip of the day. See you next time.